I couldn't find any information on how to remove the radio from let's say a Chevy G20 van. So let's just try it. I just got this little pick. We're just gonna try to pry it. See side to side. See if we can get this face off. I might need a different tool. I got a plastic clip. Okay, we got some action. Okay. So, oh, okay. So the face is in like that. So, just gonna come under the vent. Now, let's not do that. Let's try the corner, and then just pop it out. Or if I can use this to hold this side, and then just kind of just. There we go. Okay, so that face comes off, and these looks like maybe a 10. Yeah, maybe a 10. So what's holding it on there is these little clips right there, and we're all intact. We're all in one piece still. Okay, for me, it's a 10mm socket or 10mm bolts in there. So I just broke those loose, and we'll just unscrew them. I'm not changing the radio today. I just want to remove it for the video, just an instructional video. So pop off the front cover. Your van may be different. You may have a different radio, but for me, this is what's working for me. You hate that it's too loose for the ratchet, but too tight for your hand. Okay. And then we'll just pull this out. Try to with one hand. I have to put you down, but yeah. So behind the radio right there, there's a 10mm nut here, and the only thing I can get in here is it would have to be a wrench, and this is what's holding the radio in. I was able to get this side out, but this side I'm like, what is holding it in there? And sure enough, there's one more 10mm nut right there. All right, got my 10mm wrench, and where we at? There we go. So just gonna loosen up that nut there. Now, if you take the doghouse off, you will have more room. I'm really hitting this every time I turn it. So if you want, you can take the doghouse off. It's not a necessity, but it will help. But it's coming off for me with the doghouse on. So see if it's loose enough or finger tight. Yep. So nut is coming off, and I'm gonna pull that bar to the side, and then hopefully the radio comes out. Where we at? Is there another one? Oh, there is another one. There was another nut on there's a metal bar. I'll show you once it's out, but it's the same 10mm. Like at the very, I'll just show you once it's out. Okay, so the front one, I only had to loosen a little because this bar here, the front, this piece that's open goes behind here. So I only had to loosen it to free that one up. The other one went on this stud, and that's where this nut came from. And that goes in that hole right here, you see. So I took this one off first, the one that goes on the stud, and then I removed this one, and then I slid the radio forward after I pried that bar over to get it off the stud. So that's how you remove it. And it wasn't fun. I mean, it's tight. It's tight up in there. So if you need to, you can remove the doghouse to get your hand under there. I was able to do it without removing the doghouse, but it will be easier with the doghouse off. I don't know why it's super bright. There we go. So it's easier with the doghouse off, but I was able to get my hand under there and get it off. Hope it helps someone. And then from here, like I said, I'm not replacing the radio today. I just wanted to make a video for you guys, and we all learn together. So that's how you do it.